All right, good morning, fifth graders. So math today, we are going to be evaluating an expression. So we know an expression in our head, it is when there isn't an equal sign. So we have steps to solve. When we are solving an expression, we are going to, it says, replace the variable with the given number and then use gems to solve the problem. So here we go. Let's look at one. Here we go. It says, oops, sorry guys. Right here, 5 times p minus 2, and it's telling us right now p is 10. So we are going to come in here, we are going to replace p with the number 10 to turn it into something that looks like this. 5 times, in parentheses, 10 minus 2. Now we're going to go back a couple days where we underlined our work, and we're going to go and we are going to solve it. So when we solve that, we know first we have to do 10 minus 2, which is 8. Bring down our 5, bring down our multiplication because we didn't touch it yet. And 5 times 8 is going to give us 40. So the biggest thing right now when you're evaluating an expression is that you have to switch in the number that it tells you. P can only equal 10 in this problem. It can't equal anything else. All right, we're going to look at a story problem right now. So it says 4 friends earned $24 by washing cars and M dollars, which means we don't know how much, by mowing lawn. We want to divide the total by all friends. So you want to think in your head right now, how could I figure out what is an expression I could write to show what they are looking at? We know we have $24. We know we have 4 friends. And we know we have M amount of dollars. So right here, I wrote the expression. We're going to do 24 plus M, which is our lawn cutting plus washing the car. And then we are going to divide by 4. Why am I dividing by 4? Think in your head. You're right. I'm dividing by 4 because I have 4 friends that need to get the money. So I have here, what if M equaled $50? So now I have to evaluate. That's what we're working on today. Now it would become 24 plus 50 divided by 4. We know in our head right now that I have to do parentheses first because that's what comes up in my gems. Grouping, parentheses, that's what we want first. So 24 plus 50 equals 74. I bring down my divide, I bring down my 4 because I haven't touched it yet. And then when I divide 74 by 4, I get $18.50. So that $18.50 is how much each friend will get when they are done washing cars and mowing lawns. So when you do your Google form today, please, please, please make sure you are reading the story problem. You have to read it. You have to come with what is it asking you to do. And if there are multiple parts, like I had to do this part first, you put it into your parentheses. Good luck on your Google form.